Gandhiji's first satyagraha in India was held at Champaran, who was the founder of Indian Reform Association in 1870. The founder of this was Keshav Chandra Sen, who was the first Indian to be elected as the leader of the Communist International. So the leader was M.N. Roy. The cabinet mission of 1946 was led by Sir Patrick Lawrence. What did Gandhiji mean by Sarvodaya? It was meant the birth of a new society based on ethical values. Which of the following was not actively engaged in social and religious reforms in India? It was the person was Jyotiba Phule. British achieved political power in India after which of the following? After the Battle of Plassey. Which Governor General decided to make English as the medium of instruction in India? The Governor General was Lord William Bentinck. What was the Komagata Maru? Komagata Maru was a Sikh who was the reformer of oppressed and backward classes. The person was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What was the Woods Dispatch about? Woods Dispatch about is education. Khilafat movement was connected with which of the following? It was connected with Turkey, who was known as the father of Indian Renaissance. The person was Raja Ram Mohan Rai. In which of its sessions did the Indian National Congress declare Purna Swaraj as its specific goal? So the session was Lahore session 1929. Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das were founders of a party known as the Swarajya Party. Which of the following princely states did not accede to the Indian Union after independence? So the state was Hyderabad. Which of the following was not advocated by Mahatma Gandhi? It was heavy industries. It was not advocated by Mahatma Gandhi. B option is correct here. One of the following was not associated with Gadar party. So the person is not associated with Gadar party is Baba Gurdeep Singh, who was the first Indian to be elected as a member of the British House of Commons. So the person was Dadabhai Naoroji. What was the Kuomintang? What was Kuomintang? So it was a nationalist party in China. Now we will discuss the question of Indian freedom struggle. All the important questions have been given here. So let's start. First question. Who among the following from the first cabinet of independent India was responsible for the mass religious conversion? The person was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Bandung Conference was a major milestone in the history of the non-aligned movement. Where are the mortal remains of St. Francis Xavier housed? It was housed in Basilica of Bom Jesus, Velha, Goa. C option is correct here. Who admits the following great music composer was the ruler of a state? The person was Swati Thirunal. Match the museum and its place. So the first Asutosh Museum, the second Prince of Wales Museum, third Calico Museum, and fourth Raja Kelkar Museum. And the place we will have to match all these. So first there will come Asutosh Museum is situated in Calcutta, and then Prince of Wales Museum is situated in Mumbai. Calico Museum is situated in Ahmedabad, and Raja Kelkar Museum is situated in Pune. B option is correct here. Next question. Who was the architect of North and South blocks of Central Secretariat in Delhi? So the person was Sir Edward Lutyens. A option is correct here. Next question. Which admits the following sites monuments in India is not on UNESCO's list of World Cultural Heritage? So the site is Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Correlate the UNESCO unlisted heritage sites, monuments and their locations, site monuments. So we will have to correlate these sites and monuments. Cave paintings, rock cut shrines, Basilica of Bom Jesus, ancient temples. So location have been given here. First there are cave paintings. Cave paintings are situated in Ajanta. Rock cut paintings are situated in Ellora. Basilica of Bom Jesus are situated in Velha, Goa, and Sun Temple is situated in Konark. B option is correct here. Where was the Tancho brocade developed? It was developed in Varanasi. Who was the town planner of Chandigarh? Town planner of Chandigarh was Le Corbusier. The film Mangal Pandey, released in August 2005, deals with Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's fight against British occupation of India. B option is correct here. When is the Independence Day of Pakistan celebrated? It is celebrated on 14th August. The first Defence Minister of India was Baladev Singh. The first woman to become a Chief Minister of any state in India was Sucheta Kirpani. First Indian Commander-in-Chief was Jan K.M. Cariappa. Who gave the concept of total revolution? It was given by Jay Prakash Narayan. How many spokes are there in Dharma Chakra of the national flag? So there are 24 spokes. The method of democratic socialism are persuasion and propaganda. The option is correct here. What is the name of the era on which the national calendar of India is based? The era is Vikram Saka era. C option is correct here. Who is the creator of piece titled Portrait of Francis Francois? So it was the creator was Pablo Picasso. C option is correct here. The potato crop was introduced in India by the Portuguese. Which country offered its goods office to resolve Indo-Pak conflict peacefully in the year of 1966? So it was USSR. C option is correct here. After independence, Hyderabad, the state of Nizam, was taken over by the Indian government, though it was taken by military action. In Afghanistan, 2 towering Buddha statues were destroyed at Bamiyan. Identify the UNESCO approved World Heritage Site from the following. So it was the Khajuraho group of temples. C option is correct here. Identify the UNESCO approved World Heritage Site from the following. The site is Kaziranga National Park. Which of the following gods are worshipped in this sanctum of Badrinath and Kedarnath temples respectively? So the gods are Vishnu and Shiva. A option is correct. Who propounded the Panchsheel principle? It was propounded by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who discovered sea route in India via the Cape of Good Hope. So it was discovered by Vasco da Gama. The Indian monument recently inscribed in the UNESCO's World Heritage List is Jantar Mantar of Jaipur. In which of the following countries were Buddha's idols disfigured and removed recently? It was in Afghanistan. The first woman governor of a state in free India was Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Who propounded the Panchsheel principle? It was propounded by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Name the commander of Arab army who conquered the Sindh. The commander was Muhammad bin Qasim. Who coined the name Pakistan? It was coined by Chaudhry Rehmat Ali. The first woman to preside over the UN General Assembly, it was Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? The pair that is not correctly matched is Vikramaditya Chaitanya. D option is incorrect. Next question, which of the following is called the land of the Golden Pagoda? The place is Myanmar. A option is correct here. The famous Vishnu temple at Angkor Wat in Cambodia was built by Suryavarman II. Who built Shanti Niketan? It was built by Rabindranath Tagore. Gateway of India was built by George Whitehead. Where was Mahatma Gandhi born? Mahatma Gandhi born in Gujarat. Here comes our next chapter. Our next chapter is art and culture, and here we will discuss the most important questions of art and culture. Art and culture is most important topic in any competitive examination. So let's start. First question, in each of the following delegates Kabir wrote? So Kabir wrote in the Avadhi. A option is correct here. Where is Puskar Fair held? Puskar Fair held in Ajmer. B option is correct here. Which of the following is called the storehouse of world art collections? So the place is Salar Jung Museum. D option is correct here. Who introduced the famous Persian festival of Nowruz? It was introduced by Balban. Which of the following is a famous Assamese festival? The festival is Rangoli Bihu. The option is correct here. Which language is spoken by the people of Lakshadweep? The language is Malayalam. In which state is religious festival Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated with gusto? So the state is Maharashtra. Which of the following language has been given the status of classical language by central government? The language was Tamil. Rath Yatra at Puri is celebrated in the honor of Lord Jagannath. The option is correct here. The most popular festival in Tamil Nadu is Pongal. Papeti is festival of Parsis. Which among the following city was given as Guru Dakshina by Pandavas to Guru Dronacharya? The city was Gurugaon. Jallikattu is associated with which Indian festival? It is associated with Pongal. Now we will discuss the question of Indian art, architecture and sculpture. So let's start. Who among the following is renowned in the field of painting? The person was Raja Ravi Verma. Le Corbusier, the architect of Chandigarh, was a national of France. In which world of the art Gemini Roy make his name? The art was painting. Where is the Swaminarayan temple Akshardham located? It is located in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. What do the painting of Ajanta depict? It depict the Jatakas. C option is correct. Where did the miniature paintings of Indian heritage develop? It developed in Kishangarh. D option is correct here. In which state is the folk painting Madhubani popular? It is popular in Bihar. C option is correct here. Who was the painter of the famous painting called Bharat Mata? The painter was Abanindranath Tagore. B option is correct here. Next question. The Gandhara art flourished during the period of Kusans. Match the artist and their arts from. So the artist is Amrita Shergill, T. Swaminathan Pillai, Kalamandalam, Krishnan Nair and Padma Subramaniam art. So art from flute, Kathakali, painting and Bharatnatyam. So the first Amrita Shergill is associated with painting. T. Swaminathan Pillai is associated with flute. Kalamandalam Krishnam Nair is associated with Kathakali and Padma Subramaniam is associated with Bharatnatyam. A option is correct here. Next question. Who was the pioneer of Bengal School of Art? The pioneer of Bengal School of Art was Abanindranath Tagore. Rajasthani and Pahari School of Arts forms are famous for painting. Who painted the masterpiece Hans Damayanti? So it was painted by Raja Ravi Verma.